Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 20th to March 5th. We'll be discussing a change later in the period that we might finally get some winter weather as we head into March, and I'll get more into that. This is for the period February 20th to 24th. Heights remain below normal across the high latitudes as we go through the period. And we have a nearly zone of flow across the nation with near to above normal heights, and an upper low is forecast off the west coast. Now, during this period, strong high pressure will cover much of the country with dry conditions. See right here, and the greatest chance of precipitation will be across the southern plains, the Gulf Coast, through the southeast to the southern Mid-Atlantic. You can see on this map here, there might be snow in the northern parts across on the Texas Panhandle and the Oklahoma Panhandle. And then the system off the west coast this week is forecast to progress eastward and bring moisture to parts of California, the Four Corners by the weekend. And we'll take a look at that. We'll start on Friday. And we see it has mountain snows across the Sierras. And we go into Saturday, then we get into, we try to get this right. And you can see we have snow here across portions of the Four Corners, rain further to the south. The precipitation over the plains of Mississippi Valley this weekend will spread into the eastern states through early next week. And you can see here's a system here. We have another low developing in the southeast. Follows the same familiar track to a little bit further south to off the Mid-Atlantic coast. And Gulf moisture may result in locally heavy rainfall across areas that don't need it, across the middle and lower Mississippi Valley, Tennessee Valley, and the southern Appalachians. February 25th to 29th. A ridge is forecast over the eastern Pacific, a trough in the west, and we have above normal heights over Canada and the eastern U.S. And this trough, the western trough, will slowly progress eastward with time. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures from the Pacific coast into the plains, and I'm forecasting anomalies near 6 degrees below normal, and then above normal temperatures forecast for much of the area east of the Mississippi River, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40. It's 35%, 35 to 40%, I would say. Okay, look at the period from March 1st to the 5th. This is where we get the change. And we go here. Now we have above normal heights here are over the Northeast Pacific into Western North America. This forces a trough downstream. We have a broad trough covering much of the nation as we go through the period. And you see what I'm talking about. You can see the trough here by all the models as the heights build across this region, but still a zone of flow, a little bit of a split flow here in the west. So for this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this area, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have above normal precipitation east of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 20th to March 5th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.